So some people just run their business. There's no budget. So what it means is that we can spend money. We'll only find out that we spent too much money when we see that we've not made profits. But when you have a budget, the budget is a guide. This is our limit for this quarter. This is our limit for this month. This is our limit for this year. So that when your people are acting or taking decisions, they can say, we can't buy diesel here. This is too expensive. We'll go over budget. Enablers are the things that guide your people and keep them in line. Enablers. The third, controls. Controls are the things that protect you from misfortune, like fraud, theft, corruption in the office, all sorts of things. So if somebody is going to, if somebody is going to sign off money, let's say you are not around and somebody needs to approve money, can one person approve a huge sum of money? So one example of a control is any amount below $500, the manager can sign. Any amount below $200, the supervisor can sign. Anything above 1,000 or anything above 500, you have to sign. So what it means is that even if you are not around, people can still keep taking action. The business can still keep working. You only get alerted when the controls throw up something. So why are they asking for something above 500? Because it needs your approval. So those controls have to be in place. Another control is the person who receives money is not the person who deposits the money in the bank, or it's not the person who does bank reconciliations. In terms of segregation of duties, all these controls are important because controls protect the business when you are there and when you are not there. Because sometimes you may be there and your people can be stealing from you and you will not know. You are there, but your people are stealing from you. So controls protect you from that kind of situation. Controls. Metrics are the signs that show you how well you are doing. Metrics are the signals. Metrics are the signals and the measurements that show you how well you are doing. An example of a metric is what is the difference between the sales we did this month versus this same month last year. So August 2023 versus August 2024. How did we perform? Are we growing or are we dropping? If you have a retail business, what is our sales per square meter? What is our sales per employee? Sales per employee is a good one. If sales per employee is dropping, you have to look into it. What it means is that you are paying people, but they are not pulling their weight. You have to look into that. So your metrics draw your attention to things that may be going wrong in your business. Metrics are measurements. Some people may call them your KPIs, your key performance indicators. Every business has different KPIs. But if you keep looking at your KPIs, whether you're monitoring profit, you're monitoring growth, you're monitoring morale, you're monitoring the quality of customer satisfaction, there are many KPIs you can set up to monitor the health of your business in different parts. You can monitor liquidity so that you know when your cash is running low and your business may run out of money. So if you know anything that is important to your business that you need to be monitoring, those are your metrics. So these four things I talked about make up the hard controls of a business. Your processes, your enablers, your controls, and your metrics. Together, I said, these make up the hard side of the structure or system of a business.